Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add or remove a card from your Taobao. First open Taobao and then log into your account. If you are struggling with the language, I have linked a video on how to switch the app or site to English. Once logged in, click on your profile icon. This is here and then go to account settings and you will see a option called payment settings. Just click on it. To add a card, click add or debit card here. You can see fill in your card number. Here's the option. Click on it and you will see to credit or debit card which one. Then select and fill in your card number, expiry date and CVV, and then click save here. Then it will add the card. And to remove a card, go back to asset management, select the card you want to remove, click remove, then it will be removed. And that's it. You have now added or removed a credit card on Taobao. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and check out other tutorials linked below.